What's up, everybody? Today I wanted to show you how the EcoPower app works. In order to use this app, your controller and your phone need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi, which you do in the initial pairing, which I've already done. So once you open the app, you want to select Detect Modules. From there, it's going to connect up to your controller, and it initially takes you to the Calibrate page. Now on the Calibrate page, you can adjust your 3-mode switch. Right now I have mode 1 set as economy, mode 2 set as normal, and mode 3 set as sport. Now if you want to adjust, say, one of the settings in, say, mode 1, all it is drag this slide bar over. Say I want to set my speed in economy mode to 15 miles an hour. I hit apply, continue, and it's going to take, I don't know, 30 seconds or so in order to get this calibration flashed into the controller itself. And once this loads, everything will be adjusted. Now you can set your miles per hour for both forward and reverse. You can select your tire size, and you can even adjust when your eco battery goes into sleep mode. Now we are using this EcoPower kit with an Eco 105 amp hour battery. Now you'll see at the top of the page that there's an update for this EcoPower controller. So if you click on that, it's going to bring you to this firmware update that's available. Now I'm not going to run the update at the moment because those can take quite a few minutes. I don't want to have you guys sit here for a few minutes watching a bar load. From there, you have two other screens. You have a monitor page where you're going to be able to monitor a lot of different features inside the controller and inside your eco battery. And that is if you're running an eco battery, this kit does work with other batteries. Now there's a lot of settings here, more than what most people would even know what to do with. Now, if I was to hit start monitoring, that is going to record everything that's going on inside the controller, with the controller itself and with the battery. And if there's an issue, we can send it over to EcoPower, Eco Battery, and they can figure out what needs to be done. Now we also have your setup page where you connect to the internet, a few different other settings that you can go through that you'll initially do when you're first time connecting up. So that is about it for the EcoPower app. Pretty straightforward app. It's got some nice features to it. Now, if you guys happen to have any questions on how any of this works, let us know. Hope this was helpful. Take care.